Hi guys, this is my fellow. I'm having a pet cat. The name is Yellow, except in Indonesia it's Kuning. Yes. So he's scared when I touch him. When I touch him, you know what happened with it? Because this cat is so smooth. It's been a long time ago. Like 1 year ago, I don't know, it's been a really long time. But for the old and ears, it's pretty small with a big. And what's this? Third thing. He likes to run away when I touch him. You know what the reason is? Yeah, him. I don't know. Because this cat paws are not that sharp. Not that sharp. But a little sharp. Except this. What happened to its whole body? Cat fight for some reason? Cat fight? Is it a cat fight? Yeah, anyways. Yeah. Pretty bad looking about this one. Yeah, anyways. If I hold in too much, it's gonna, scratch. I've been scratched by 2 times, 2013 and 2014, I think. No, 2012. So, cause this cat is familiar. I've never seen a yellow white cat bird. Yeah, anyways, it's already 1 minute. Anyways, and it's really nice, The tail's not that bad, except it's just scared about dogs. It's not that scared about little dogs like chihuahuas for some reason. Like big dogs, they're scared. Right, sit, boy.